unboxing of my Cocoa Daisy kit, and this is going to include all of the planner goodies that I get. So let's dive in. So this kit is Paper and Ink January's kit, and Christine always includes this cute little card that explains pretty much like the backstory behind the kit, and I love this card. It's always so pretty. So first things first, let's see. I'm going to take everything out of the box, that way it's not so much like rustle and bustle. Okay. So Cocoa Daisy classified kit, I'm going to keep it classified, so that's going in the box. And let's see. So this was my first month getting the personal size traveler notebook, which I'm super excited about. Well, it's called the Cocoa Daisy Dory. So I got the personal size, so I'm going to cut it, well, not cut it, well, yeah, I'm going to cut it like in half and then punch the holes so it can go inside of my personal size planner. Super excited for that. So I'll do a quick flip. So it has the monthly, currently, then you have your grid. This is so pretty. Optimism, blind, a list. Ooh, this is fun. You know, all those things you've always wanted to do, go do them now. I like this. So I was getting the standard Dory, and I was cutting it to fit into my personal, and I didn't realize that Cocoa Daisy had a personal size Dory. They've had it for a while. I've just been oblivious about it. So I got that, and here is the main kit. So here's the washi tape. Look how pretty that is. Sticky notes. Oh my god, these are darling. I love them. A cute charm. Love this pen. This is the first ever Daisy pen. So it has gems in the middle and then the daisy on the top. And it's a roll. So let's see how it writes together. I'll do it on a sticky note. Hello. I don't really have good handwriting, but Cocoa Daisy fans. It writes really smooth. I love it. Cute. And then of course it says Cocoa Daisy on the side. Okay, that's fun. All right, it's the die cuts, and you can see all the die cuts on the back here. So you have your tabs, banners, flowers, super cute. A fun little tag. I like putting my washi tape samples on my tags. It's just an easy way to do that. And let's open this up. Oh wait, let's look at the pouch because I have been dying to see the pouch. Let's see. Here, like a so it is a leather pleather. I don't know. It probably says it on the website. Tassel. And open it up. The zipper is super smooth. And look at these pom-poms. Oh my gosh. I love pom-poms. Okay. This pouch is probably my favorite Cocoa Daisy pouch of all of them. And they're all so cute. But this one's my top. Okay. Let's open this. So here you have your list pad, tab stickers. These are so pretty. I love this kit. Your number stickers, days of the week, meal plan, clean, groceries, all that jazz. And then your stickers. Oh my gosh, look at all this goodness. You got your tabs. Weekend vibe, begin doing, keep going, currently, inspiration. I like big goals and I cannot lie. fun. And then fun fact, if you didn't know, on the side of this sticker sheet, it's always added the holidays. So the 1st is New Year's Day, 21st is Martin Luther King Jr. Day. And then here are the papers. Look at that butterfly. Like the detail in this kit is amazing. I mean, each kit has details, so they're double-sided, so you're gonna see the same thing. But I don't know, like this kit is very like artsy. I love it. Oh my goodness. Okay, and then I get the personal size unpunched pages just because I like to punch them myself. So you have your January tab, and then the monthly layout, the weekly pages, 365, 52 weeks, 24/7. I love that. And then you have, let's see. So those are the weeks, and then here's a little notes page, and then your weekly more in depth. This is where I do my memory planning. Look how fun this is. And then you have the notes page, monthly, and then you have your yearly outlook, and then your daily to-do schedule, and this is what the back looks like. And the hydrate. I love how numbers are so like a key thing in this kit because it's the first month of the year. It's when everyone wants to set their goals. Like it's a number game, you know? Okay. So that is the main kit. I'm going to put this aside. And then we have the add-on kit. Okay, here's the washi tape, black, and I guess it's some florals on it. And then the die cuts, which I'll open since you can't see what's in it. And these are vintage tags that she added. So let me... Here's what they look like. So that's fun. They're like a thick cardstock. And then there's an ink, which I'm assuming is gray, since it's written in gray. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, yes, it's like a silver. That's pretty. The paper clips. Oh, and there's birds on that. Florals. The stamps. I love that little cap. Positive vibes. The best time for new beginnings is now. I like put goals in a can highlight. Oh my gosh, I love that this is a stamp because I love this phrase. You've got this, new plan, keep going, keep doing, begin doing, and currently. So these are like lots of positive vibes in this for the new year. And then you have some cards, 2019 B. I like this because my one little word 2 years ago was begin. It was be, begin, beginning, like anything that had that pretty much, if that makes sense. This looks like a washi tape card. And then the, this card is, I believe, what she said she was going to include was that it's like a color palette of the kit, which is lots of fun. And then stickers. The colors in this kit are so gorgeous. And look at this alpha. Hug harder, laugh louder, smile bigger, and love longer. Cute. So that is the planner add-on. Here are the die cuts. Let me open it real fast to show you some of them. I'm not going to pull them all out because you can go on the website and look at more of them. This is cute. It's like a little corner piece. Butterfly, start here, arrows, banners. Let's do this. And then the weekend banner is always my favorite. Let me pull it out to show you. I always love the weekend banner for some reason. It's a good time to start over. So that's the planner add-on kit, like I said. And then I have the dashboards and the stickers. So I'll open the dashboards first. So the dashboards come in personal size and A5. So I'm just gonna flip through the personal since they're the same thing. What feels like the end is often the beginning. Dear New Year's resolutions. Well, it was fun while it lasted. See you again next year. Sincerely, January 2nd. That's fun. For last year's words belong to last year's language, and New Year's words await another voice. Live your life in color. That's so pretty. The best time for new beginnings is now. And then this pretty, like, it looks like papers, like added on to papers, but it's only one paper. And then we have the stickers. So this is the planner sticker add-on. This is one of the most recent kit. Well, not one of the most, but it's one of the recent kits, and she just added a new kit for Cocoa Daisy. It is memory keeping sticker kit, so that's fun. So here are clear washi strips, hexagons. Oh my gosh, how gorgeous. I always love the hexagons, but these are cute. Oh, and you have some like fake breads, a ticket, and then you have your to-do today, next week, checklist, some phrases and boxes, your hydrate stickers. There is 4. There used to only be 3, and now there is 4, so that's fun. And clipboards, and then full boxes and decorative tape on the bottom. So that's the sticker kit. So that is the planner, all the planner goodies from Cocoa Daisy that I get. And I'm going to have another unboxing video of my memory keeping. So definitely check that out. I'll link it up above. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your favorite part of this Cocoa Daisy kit. Until next time, bye crafty ones.